హాయ్ అండి, వెల్కమ్ టు ద వీడియో. ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో మనం ఆబ్లిగేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ 5 laws ఆఫ్ లైబ్రరీ సైన్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా. నౌ we will discuss about types of libraries. Here the libraries are divided into 3 categories. Those are public libraries, academic libraries, special libraries. Now first one is public library. Examples for public libraries: National Library, Regional Library, State Central Library, District Central Library, Panchayat Library, City or Town Library, Village Library, Divisional Library. Second one is academic libraries. The academic libraries are school libraries, college library, university library. Now third one is special libraries. Special libraries are research library, industrial library, hospital library, prison library, business library, blind persons library, newspapers library. Now we will discuss about National Library. National Library comes under public library. India's National Library name is National Library of India. It is in Kolkata. Similarly, some countries have its own national libraries. These are very important. Library of Congress, USA, Washington DC. British Library, it is in UK. State Lenin Library, Moscow, Russia. Biblioteca Nationale, Paris. And National Diet Library, Tokyo, Japan. Now coming to India, National Library of India, Kolkata.